Good day and welcome back to another video with Coating Industries. Today we're going to discuss the three-course method in how and where to apply a geotextile membrane to. Firstly, we want to locate the area that we wish to apply to and cut the membrane to the required length. I've landed up cutting smaller pieces of reinforcing to reinforce the corners to make sure that we have a watertight seal once complete. This will just make sure that all the corners are fully reinforced with no possible areas for leaking to occur. Once this is complete, we need to make sure that our area that we wish to apply to is completely dust and debris free. It needs to be dry to make sure that there is no delamination of the product once completed. Step 2. Apply a liberal amount of rubber coat liquid rubber to the area that needs to be applied. Remember, too thick and it will just take longer to dry. This here will help the geotextile membrane become fully saturated from underneath and make sure that there's no delamination that occurs. Once this is complete, using your fingers, push the geotextile into the corners and allow the saturation to occur. Once this is complete, coat with a liberal amount of liquid rubber to the area to fully saturate the membrane. Making sure that all the corners and crevices are fully soaked with the coating. Once this is complete, we will add our little cutouts that we have made for the corners to make sure that they are also correctly reinforced, and apply a top coat to them too. This will just make sure all the corners are fully reinforced, providing additional security that there will not be any further leaks. Make sure all the creases are taken out of the membrane prior to applying the final coat. This application of the geotextile is now complete. I will be doing these sections here and waiting for it to dry, and then we can test it out with some water by filling it up. Finally, once all of our geotextile membrane has been covered and coated correctly, we now apply a final coat to make sure that the saturation is full and the rest of the surfaces are now fully coated as well to ensure a proper seal. Applying the paint liberally here will make sure that everything is fully saturated and correctly sealed once fully dry. Drying time for this is around about 3 to 4 hours, and additional coats can be applied if necessary. I hope you enjoyed this video from Coating Industries. Until the next time, thank you for watching.